We closed below the 2-year channel bottom last week pretty convincingly. We have retraced up to it actually twice this week, Monday and Tuesday. It held well to the very tick actually on Monday and then to within a tick on Tuesday. There you have it. 443.14 is our ceiling of resistance through the rest of April, and below which we still anticipate as our next longer term objective 356.74 5-year channel support. And when I say long term, under normal volatility, this would be a 2 to 3 month target roughly. But now it's probably more like 2 to 3 weeks. Now this week already, Monday morning, we came very close to testing the 397.22 level. 397.22 is 3/8 back to the 2020 low. Just know that you've got two convergent Fibonacci retracement levels. One is a long-term 5-year roughly 3/8 Fibonacci, and the other you can actually see here is more of a 2-year 50%, and they're all within ticks apart. 397.22. If we break 408.71 today, and I think there's a decent chance of it, 397.22 is likely. Where yes, we could place a weekly low. I think this is a solid day trade level, and I'm not trying to discourage those of you who want to bottom pick this for the week in anticipation of a 1-week bounce back to 443.14, but that has essentially already materialized. We didn't test 397.22, but we did break 408.71. That was on Monday, and we rallied twice since then back up into the 443.14 area. So 443.14 has been properly tested, and I think 356.74 is the level you're looking for. If we close today below 397.22 with present volatility, we just might see 356.74 by Friday's close, where we can bottom out through the rest of the year. This is, after all, a 5-year structure able to contain annual selling pressure. The way I think this will play out fundamentally is, for the time being, we're expecting 356.74, but if we can hold 356.74, then I think that holds open fundamentally the possibility in the weeks ahead for a breakthrough in these tariff discussions. And I think inversely, if we close below 356.74, we are in a stubborn, protracted tariff war. And I see continued price erosion into later year. It would be a long-term sell signal, a good high for the year, the market likely to continue south over that time frame. The 356.74 is my hope factor for the big picture, for resolving these tariff negotiations. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.